Understanding the phrase, tap sequence. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English phrases and explore the meaning of tap sequence. This phrase might be new to many of you, so let's break it down together and understand its usage in everyday English. Tap sequence refers to a series of taps or touches, often in a specific order. In the English language, this phrase is commonly used in contexts involving technology, such as using smartphones or tablets. Here, a tap sequence might mean pressing different parts of the screen in a particular order to achieve a result, like unlocking a device or accessing a hidden feature. Let's see some examples to clarify how tap sequence is used. 1. Smartphone unlocking. To unlock your phone, use the tap sequence you set up in the security settings. 2. Gaming. This game requires a specific tap sequence to get to the next level. 3. Technology troubleshooting. Follow the tap sequence I'm showing to reset your device. These examples show that a tap sequence involves a pattern of touches or taps that serve a functional purpose. Understanding the phrase, tap sequence, is crucial, especially in the modern, technology-driven world. It is a phrase that transcends languages because of its universal application in technology. Being familiar with this phrase helps in understanding instructions or guides related to electronic devices. Sometimes, tap sequence can be referred to differently, like touch pattern, finger sequence, screen tap pattern. These variations convey the same meaning but are used interchangeably based on the context or regional preferences. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, tap sequence. It's a small yet significant part of the English language, especially in our technology-oriented conversations. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using this phrase like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.